So I've been using this Victus by HP laptop for the past 2 weeks now, courtesy of Brightstar Malaysia, and here is my short review. Begin, let's talk specs. The unit I have here is an entry-level Victus 16 powered by Intel's Core i5-11260H, which is a very decent 6-core CPU. It has 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM. Graphics is powered by NVIDIA GTX 1650, 512 gigs of PCIe NVMe storage, and comes with Intel Wi-Fi 6 AX201 with Bluetooth 5. The Intel Wi-Fi 6 in this laptop enables speed up to 6 times faster than the previous generation Intel Wi-Fi 5 on managed networks and nearly 3 times faster for home and consumer use. Lower latency in Intel Wi-Fi 6 is also a key to seamless experiences in real-life applications like video conferencing and gaming. My first impression of this laptop was pretty good because look at this. There's a single USB Type-C which also supports charging, 3 USB-A, one full-size HDMI 2.1, even an Ethernet port. This is truly a dying breed. And then of course the headphone mic combo jack and the power adapter plug. The one that takes the cake for me personally is the SD card reader. The design language here is pretty minimal, with a subtle dark mirror V logo on the front without any fancy lines. It has a full-size keyboard with numpad. If you have watched my video before, you know that I'm not a fan of the numpad on laptops, but manufacturers seems to think otherwise. So maybe it's just me. This is a 16-inch 144Hz IPS 1080p 16:9 screen. I wish HP had put in a 16:10 screen instead, based on the additional space here at the bottom. That would definitely be an added plus point from a content creator point of view, like myself. Full brightness is maxed out at 250 nits. Battery life is slightly better than some of its mid-range competitors. While editing this video on this laptop, I get about 3.5 hours before the low battery notification pops out at 20%. I left the laptop to loop YouTube videos on Wi-Fi and it lasted about 4.5 hours. Not the best, but definitely better than average. I did not game on the Victus due to the short time I have with this laptop, but the GTX 1650 should be able to run most games on medium settings. If you are going to game with this laptop, I do recommend selecting a higher range model. Now comes with NVIDIA RTX 30 series graphics. What about content creation performance? I used this laptop for 2 of my recent wedding shoot, and it was really great because of the SD card slot and decent battery life. I didn't have to carry any additional hub or card reader. The power adapter is relatively small and light, and rendering times on Adobe Premiere Pro takes about 5.5 minutes of a 4.5 minutes fully color graded video. Overall, I have nothing to complain about the Victus while editing videos. I just wish that the screen is a little bit brighter. It also fits right into my camera bag just nice. Anything bigger would mean I'd have to carry another bag separately. What about the price? There's actually a wide range of specs in this Victus by HP family series. It ranges anywhere between 3,000 ringgit up to 6,000 ringgit in Malaysia. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can take a look and perhaps pick one that matches your budget. And with that, we have come to the end of this short review of the Victus by HP laptop powered by Intel Gaming. I would like to thank Brightstar Malaysia for sending in this unit, and for all you all out there, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I will see you guys again in the next video. Bye.